Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is functionality proof requested by a customer who returned this mainboard for LG 31MU97B, which was apparently sent on the 20th of September, saying that the display ports do not work and that then the whole board stopped working. I told him the story of the board, which was actually my personal monitor. This video is familiar on the table where we have made many other videos with many other boards that are shown. The board worked right out of the box. Here, this is what it is doing. I'll show you the label at the beginning just to see that it has not been removed. Nothing was really, even though here it's not very clean, but it cannot really stick well. Yeah, because there is that thingy that prevents it anyhow. They're not very strong stickers. They're not really meant to detect if somebody has removed something, just like you can't know whether it was on something else that we just repaired, but there is no way to prove that. I'm just telling you that it wasn't. Those boards are in very high demand. I will be fined if you, the customer, do not want it, and we will list it immediately back again. It came, I took apart a monitor, a working monitor, and I have an extra. This is our testing panel, and I do have the panel that this came from along with the stand, and I'm going to list it for sale soon as there is enough time for that.